Gunmen and police clash in Tivoli Gardens, West Kingston. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News and a special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, murder-suicide forces tax office closure.
Massive fire at Old Harbour Market creates uncertainty. Mayor declares emergency.
On the cusp of Trinidad's Prime Minister's visit, government releases immigration data.
In the financial week, farmers say they won't support any boycott of CARICOM.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But first, the feedback question.
What are your expectations of the Trinidad and Tobago Prime Minister's visit to Jamaica next week?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet @TelevisionJam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.